thread and his skill to make a shirt ಅಲ್ವಾ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಶರ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ shirt what he requires a tailor requires a sewing machine then thread isn't it cloth and his own labor okay that is he will be using his own skill to produce a shirt okay another example you can take it as a farmer uses land labor tractor seed fertilizer water okay to produce wheat alva so ee reeti estokonde examples ide this we call it as what production and a person who produces a good or a product can be called as what producer or a firm a company will produce a good we can say okay and one more thing in this chapter you will be using the word production and supply as synonymously ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ production. See, to purchase the inputs, the company has to spend certain amount, isn't it? To purchase input and to convert that input into output. That can be called as what? Cost of production. ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಲೇಬರ್ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಇದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋವಂಥ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಯರ್ in order to acquire inputs a firm has to pay for them or it has to bear certain expenses that we can term it as what cost of production okay and once output has been produced output ready ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ಎ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ finished good what do a producer do he will sell it in the market isn't it market ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ after selling it into the market you will be getting what you will get revenue isn't it what you will get revenue and the difference is between revenue and cost no it gives rise to what profit so ready ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ವಸ್ತು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ we will sell it in the market so that a producer can get what revenue isn't it so the difference between the revenue and cost gives rise to what profit ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ okay so profit is equal to what revenue minus cost you can say hence we can say that what is profit the difference between the revenue and the cost is called as what firm's profit okay so this is about the basic concept of what is production and what is cost then let me tell about production function production function production function means basically it gives the relation between the input used and the quantity of output produced ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ a production function of a firm is a relationship between the inputs used and the output produced by the firm okay so production function of a firm is the relationship between the inputs used and output produced. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ different quantities of output can be produced. Okay, so for various quantities of input you can get what? Different quantities of output. Okay, when the quantity of input what you are going to use increases, even it gives rise to the increase in the quantity of output produced. ನಾವೀಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ increasing, then even the quantities of outputs will be increased. Okay, so this is about today's class. See, in today's class you have understood about the different factors influencing the price elasticity of demand of a good, that is the nature of goods, then availability of substitutes, then variety of uses, then deferred consumption, isn't it? Then after that you have solved one of the problem, then you came to know about what are the different questions you have to give important, because which are the questions that has appeared in this year exam, isn't it? Then we have understood about the new chapter, that is production and cost. What is production? What do you mean by production? Production is the process of converting input into output. Okay, then what is meant by input here? Input includes what? Land, labor, raw materials, machines, etc. Okay, output means it refers to what? Good. It might be a finished good or a semi-finished good. So this output will be used by a consumer or it might be used by another firm to process further. Okay, so the producer or a firm will do this production process. They will conduct this production process, we said, and even we have come across some of the examples. Then you came to know about what is cost of production. What is meant by cost of production? See, the expense what a producer will bear in order to purchase the input and to process it, in order to convert that into output, can be called as what? Cost of production. After producing a product, a producer will sell it into the market in order to get a revenue, isn't it? And the difference between the revenue and the cost can be called as what? Profit. So always revenue must be more than the expense what a company will incur. And we know that one of the main objective of any firm is to maximize their profit. So we say that revenue must be more than the expense. Okay, then you came to know about the production function. Production function means it gives a relation between the inputs used and the output produced. When you want to increase the quantity of output produced, then you have to increase even the quantity of input used in the production process. Okay, I'll continue in the next class. Thank you.